Welcome back to the Electrician's Tool Channel. On the bench today, we have the WIHA Industrial Wire Strippers, model number Z550160025B. Wow, that sounds like a Social Security number. They were released to the market October the 5th, 2000 and I think it was 16. Yes, they were made available October 5th, 2019. And of course, they're still in rotation to this day if you're looking for a pair. Now, here in the States, I haven't seen any electrician, not saying that they don't, I just haven't seen any electrician other than myself with these wire strippers. And there's a reason why I purchased these wire strippers, because they work hand in hand with some more wire strippers tools that I have for a certain purpose. And that purpose is to, I've noticed throughout the years sometime when I'm doing old work and I may be working in an outlet box, device box or whatever, and the wire is short because it may have broken off, or the people or the person or whoever installed it before I got there didn't leave enough length on the wire. So now I have to get inside the box and I may have to splice onto it. Now, I hate splicing. Guys, I hate splicing wire, but sometimes you have to do what you have to do when you're doing oil work, as long as you make it safe. Okay, so now with that being said, I purchased these for that certain individual purpose. And I'll tell you that in a second, but first let me get to business. I'm asking you guys to support the channel. Those of you who have been supporting the channel, I appreciate that. If this is your first time, and I'm hoping that that you like what you see, and if you do so far, I'm asking you to help subscribe to the channel. And those of you who don't know what subscribe mean, I'm not asking for your money. You owe me anything. You don't have to pay YouTube anything. That's just to keep it on your favorite TV channel. You're programming your cable box basically to show all the things that you want to see. When you subscribe to my channel, that's all it is. You want to put me in rotation with the rest of the stuff that you want to see, and it'll notify you when my up and coming videos, I'm releasing a new video, and it'll let you see my old ones as well, and you won't want to miss those. So looking at one tradesman, one electrician, one tradesman to another, it'll be a form of shaking my hand saying I approve of what you're doing. I really like the tools you're showing, and yeah, I want to support what you're doing. That's all I'm doing. I'm extending my hand right now by asking you to subscribe, and I hope one tradesman to another, one electrician to another, that you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell right next to the word subscribe. And I also wish that you post on there, because I do answer back. I would love to hear your story about you being an electrician, how you use this tool or whatever. I just love reading, and I love hearing other stories from other electricians, other tradesmen. Now, since that's out of the way, the reason why I purchased this tool was for this reason right here. Let me show you. If you look at the front, it strips wires from the front, okay? And I have another, it doesn't strip from the side. And this screw at the top, if you're wondering, this is an adjustable screw, which allows you to put pressure for any wire or cable that you're trying to strip. It's an adjustable screw. And I would look at it as, it's a manual adjustable screw, but look at it as a pair of wire strippers that have the different sizes on them. Like the regular clients, they have the size 14, size 12, 10 hold on it that you can cut that wire. Well, that screw does it, but that's the same thing, but it just has a screw instead of those holes. Now, this is for, like I was saying, this is for when I'm doing old work and I'm working inside of a receptacle box or a device box or whatever box, and the wire is broken off so short where I have to splice something onto it. Well, using normal side cutting strippers, you can't get inside that box, that far up. And those of you who have ran into that problem, you know what I'm talking about. But these would allow that. You see what I'm saying? You go right in there with that cutter, you strip that wire, put it off, and I also have to work with these pliers. I have another pair of wire strippers, Romex ones that's like they cut Romex. This cuts single insulation off a single cable, whatever the size the cable may be. And I have some crimpers angled. So when I have to crimp a butt splice onto that wire, I can do so, all of that. I use 3 tools for that one purpose, but it gets the job done professionally and safely. So I paid what I paid for these tools because of that. This is one of my specialty tools. I have it with me all the time. I don't carry it in my main tool bag, but it is readily accessible. I keeps it right with me because you never know when you're going to need it. This and the other tools that I've just mentioned. So those of you who have that problem, and here's a solution to it. I've made videos of the other tools that I'm talking about, and I describe the use or why I have them, and you can go check those videos. One of them is the Klein angled wire stripper, and the other one is by OTC angled crimpers. Okay, check those 3 out. All of those work in hand with each other. So I do recommend those tools. As far as the build quality of these pliers, those of you who know WIHA or have WIHA tools, WIHA makes some really high quality tools, and this is no different. So I don't have to spend all day telling you about how good the grips are. They do feel nice and good in the hand. And those of you who love cushion grip tools, such as I do, I've been using dip handle tools for a long time, and when they came out with the cushion grip, I felt like I was in heaven. I haven't went back to a dip tool handle in years. I don't even see myself returning unless I have to, unless they don't make that tool with a cushion grip. Other than that, I'm purchasing cushion grip tools. The steel here is very nice. Even the blades that I just mentioned, that I just showed you guys in the front, that's really sharp. And these strippers work perfectly. So I don't have any issues with these strippers at all. Not one issue. They haven't given me any trouble. They've paid for themselves a long time ago. They're not cheap, but they're not expensive. They're worth, now right now, since inflation has gone up, they may have went up a few dollars more, but they're worth it. They're worth it. You want to have these with you. You want to have a pair of these with you. That's just my take on it. Some of you, may have came up with an idea where you can make that work, how to strip wire and whatever inside of a box. Okay, I haven't came up with one yet but this works for me. And I do believe in the right tool for the right job. These are the right tools. It's just unfortunately that I have to use 3 to get one job done, but that's okay. It gets done. It gets done professionally, safely, and done well. So, guys, with that being said, I want to thank you again. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope that those of you who are thinking about subscribing, I hope that you made your choice and you subscribe to the channel. Support. My hand is still extended right here. Shake my hand, enjoy and subscribe to the channel. And there will be more videos coming. Very nice tools on the way, unique tools on the way, some rare, some that you've seen before, but that's okay. It still will be enjoyable. You guys take care out there, and I'm out.